So I put back on the piece here, right?
Yeah. Stitch it. What machine is stitching on? Stitch it in the meantime now.
That close machine there is racing.
That's not it.
So you look at one over the zipper?
Uh-huh. You open the seam here, right? The one is in there?
Theo.
Huh?
Theo. It's what I do one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But if you were waiting on, you want to sit on the machine.
Oh.
All right, watch it. Watch it. We put in the bias strip on this side, right? We're opening our seams to get the seam flat, and we're going to stitch this here.
So just now you snip something.
I snip it here because here is thick, so I snip it just at the end of the zip. So open here to keep here flat.
Okay.
Right? So I'm going to stitch this here to keep it in place. Come on. Hey. Huh? Not stitching?
Yeah, it's such a
Yeah, such a
red blue.
Right. So we will leave this side for now, right? We're going to fold over this here. Right? And we will leave this side for now. Right? Right? Watch it on this side here now. Where's yours? Which one is yours? Right, so we're going to stitch this here.
is the curtain, right?
Yeah. The stitching just flush to the edge here, right? Watch it. Right? I'll put that back. I'm going to take it over. Right, and now stitch it through. Right, so remember I told you about the pellet going straight to the end here, right? This now is folded to the level of the fly. No, go like this. No, go like this. Watch it. From here to here, we have to get established an 1.5 inches for the waistband, right? So we're going to stitch here straight, 1.5 inches.
From where to where? From here to
Just the width of the fly,
okay.
right? So we're going to stitch here now to get there established there. Right? When we finish there now, we're going to go up into the waist 4 times. Right? Watch it.
Oh.
Right? I'm gonna answer my daughter now. The mother wasn't feeling well this one. Right?
No.
Ay, 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 ay.
Right, watch it. Sorry, watch it. Watch it. So we're going to roll the waist here now. So this here is going to establish. We're going to establish an inch and a half here. Here has to remain inch and a half. But the rest of the waist is going to roll to the pellon. Right? So you will get
Come back to inch and a half.
we get it because the standard size for the waistband is inch and a half. When we join the front to the back, right? Because this will be long, we will make a pleat at the waist
On the domestic.
with the domestic. So any excess when we stitch in the back will be absorbed in the pleat. Right? But you will see that next day. So when you stitch this here, right? And we closing off the waist, this will roll like this. Right? And you will establish right? I missed the other side. I'm going too much or too much?
Yeah.
Too much. So do this in the meantime.
I will lost here.
Right? Do this in the meantime. Do this one in the meantime. Right? And when you finish doing this one, then I will show you this one so that you will have some practice to do over the next couple of weeks. Right? So do this one. From here to the width of the fly is where you're going to establish an inch and a half. Then you're going to stitch up into the waist 1/4 inch because this area here is going to roll to the top of the panel, establishing a 1.5 inch waist of the trousers. Right? When you finish that, then I will show you the other side. So that from here to here, and here to here has to stitch inch and a half as well, and then we go up into 1/4 inch as well. But don't let this confuse you. Do this in the meantime, and then we will do this before we leave. Right?
Sure.
Okay? Everybody understand? Huh? Yeah. Right, so you're going to stitch just flush here. You hold it flat like this. You're stitching this level. Right? So we're stitching this here. The waist and the curtain has to be level, right? Chalk, anybody have chalk? Alright. So we're stitching this flush here. Right? We're stitching this flush on the edge here. When we stitch it flush on the edge here now, then we're going to pull it back flush. Like this. Right?
Alright.
And then from here to here, we measure an inch and a half, and we're stitching inch and a half, and we're going up into 1/4 inch. Okay? So stitch this here first flush. Flush on the edge of the 1/4 inch, you establish here, level the waist. Right? And when you stitch that there, then we will pull it back, flush with the fly. And then we will establish the inch and a half, and then we're going to go up into 1/4 inch to roll the waist there.
I needed to do that twice.
Huh?
You have to fire the job.
It's not going quite to the end, huh? You sit on your bar strip yet? You ain't sit on your bar strip as yet. With that three machines working. Or then talk to the machine when I come to class. Hmm?
I know, I should have ended, so let me get this. Yeah, you sit down and
Snap here now.
I'm watching all the videos.
Right? Opening the scene here.
Yeah.
Right? And we're going to place the bias strip here. Level with the waist. And you're going to stitch it here 1/4 inch straight down to the end of the fly.
I'll be right back. I'll be doing that after. I don't know. What's the share? What is it? Couple of plenty of body, right? I don't know how you treat it, is it?
Go went on.
How about we game on this kitchen?
Hmm?
Treat the body good.
Your bias strip here. Level. And stitch that with the seams open 1/4 inch straight down to the end of the. Right? Right? Stitch it and come back. What this here? So remember this fly line flat, right? This one not falling back like the other one. So from the fly, you measure 1.5 inches up, and you measure 1.5 inches up. So you stitch here flush like I stitch the other 1.5 inches, and you're going up into 1/4 inch. Right? So stitch that here, flush from the edge, up into 1/4 inch, and come back, and we'll turn it over, and you will see
Coming straight down, sir.
straight down to the back of the trouser. Because remember, we have to join the back to the front here. So it will go straight down. Right? So stitch that here. Right? And we will close off at that point.
So I stopping up to where you mark it.
Right?
At the top of.
Right? Stitch that there and come back. So this is your level.
Yeah.
Right. So let me turn it back over. You missed it. Watch it. She stitch it here. Just where you went to, how you went to stitch it, right? 1.5 inches, and then we go up into 1/4 inch. So we miter the corner, so the points have to go to push out flush, right? But then she turned it over. Right? And we're going to roll our waist to the top of the pelon. Right? Watch it. This is going to lie flat. Right? See how it takes shape there now?
Yeah.
Right. So then we will do the top stitch, but we leave that for another day. Right? So here's where you're going to place your buttonhole, and here's where you're going to place your button. But this one has to remain flat. Right? So you will roll this to the top of the pelon. Right? Establishing the waistband 1.5 inches. Right? And then we will be stitching that inside the drain there. Right?
So we're going to do that now?
No, you ain't doing that. I want you to
That's
practice there. That's with this.
That's it for
I want you to
today.
practice your curtain.
Fold 2 seconds, sir?
Right. So you're folding this back like this. Right? So the excess must go beyond the zip, because when we turn it like this, it has to get a top stitch here. And when you stitch it on the top, you must not see the raw edge of this. Right? So we're folding it like this to get it flat. Right? And we're going to put the curtain here now.
I give myself 100.
I give you 99. I don't know why she's
I didn't hear that before.
The teacher just tell you, I have to keep something for myself.
Yeah, boy.
So what you do with 1 mark for yourself? What teacher taking 1 mark for yourself? So watch it. From here to here,
So you think if you got 500?
You pick 100, I mean you're good like the teacher.
I know.
watch it. Watch it. From here to here, and here to here. Right? And then you're going up into 1/4 inch. Right? So Jonathan, that's the last thing for the day, right? Somebody's seam ripper.